Hi, my name is Lotfi, and in this video I would like to share with you what I will be offering on December the 19th. Like, subscribe and share. This workshop that is going to help us make the jump from 2020 into 2021. This workshop that will help us, and I say us because I will be actively participating in this. It will be a very interactive workshop where you will be very actively participating. It will not be a monologue where you just will be sitting listening. No, you will be practicing, you will be doing things. Probably have a piece of paper and a pen with you. And we will be doing certain exercises that will help you take everything from this year and some from the years before and transform that with some extra information that I will bring to the table. Mix that, bake that in the oven, and then you have a wonderful cookie which you can eat, and it will help you to slide into 2021. Yes, I have been baking a lot of cookies lately, so hence me thinking about the cookies. Maybe I'll introduce the picture in the video during the editing if I remember. The workshop will be organized on Saturday the 19th, and when you click the link, you can scroll down, you can see the hours. The idea is that I will do like last month, organize one in my morning and one in my evening. To have two groups, group A, group B. This means that wherever you are on the globe, there should be at least one of the two groups should be in a time frame that's good for you. It will be a workshop of 3.5 hours. If the group is large, it may become 4 hours, because I will be dedicating time to each of you participants individually. And that's a beautiful workshop. When you work in groups, you also learn from other people's experiences and other people's lessons. And like I said, it will be very interactive. There will be at least 2 meditations. One to help ground and to settle in the moment, to really focus on what we're going to do. And then one later to anchor the transformations, to anchor our insights on what we've learned and the information we've got. There will be space for asking questions. There will be time, plenty of time for asking questions. And the goal is that it will help you to be really ready to enter into the new year. And we also have gathered tools that you can use to even improve on yourself, to even improve on what you've learned in the workshop, to repeat certain things, to go even deeper in certain areas when you feel like, okay, this is really interesting, I want to dive in further here. Then you can do that too. And like some of you already know, I have my Patreon program which helps you ride the wave. This one is built up from videos. Every 5 to 6 days there's a different energy that is the main energy at play in that moment. So I make a video about that, so you know, like, okay, the flow is going this way. So it's easy to ride the wave, to go with it. And then once the flow is going that way, then that's the moment for me to jump on to go to that spot where I want to go. Riding the wave is like these surfers. They sit on their board and they wait. And when the wave comes, then they. And so this is also what we already have been seeing this year, that there was a lot of pausing and then waiting for the right moment to do something. And next year this will only increase, it will only intensify. And that's why this workshop. And that's why I also encourage you also to become a patron. It's very affordable. And aside from these videos, there are also Q&A videos. There's a possibility for webinars. There's a possibility for one-on-ones. Depending on what you want, there are different prices, also depending on what you can afford. So there's a lot for you that you can use to make your life easier, to generate more inner peace, more calmness, also more joy and happiness in your life. But let's start with this workshop. Click the link if you're not on the website yet and choose which group you want to attend, group A or group B, depending on which hour is best for you. So have a look, register. It's next Saturday, the 19th, and I'm looking forward to working with you. It's going to be fun, it's going to be intense, in a good way. And it's going to be definitely energizing and educative. Hope to see you. Have a wonderful day.